Hello dear friend, today we are going to do chapter An Alien Hand. This is the answer key for class 7. Let's see the answers. Unit 5 Science Fiction Section 1 An Alien Hand answer orally. Number 1 Yes, I have heard of the Viking missions to Mars which aimed at finding life on Mars. Number 2 Science fiction arouses my interest and fascinates me. We have advanced in the field of science and technology, and it is quite possible that whatever we read as science fiction may soon become a reality. Science fiction is full of imaginative ideas set in an extremely interesting environment meant to trigger our minds into applying scientific explanations to fantasies. Next exercise multiple choice question. For first one answer C, for second one answer B, for third one answer C, for fourth one answer A. Next exercise read and answer. First answer 3. Before he had advanced 10 paces, a strong hand fell heavily upon his shoulder. 7. A mechanical hand emerged from the spacecraft. First, Tillu slipped the magic card into the slot. 5. Next day, when Tillu's father went to work, he found the control room full of excitement. Second, a well lit passage welcomed him. 6. The computer had given a trajectory for this thing. 4. He was escorted by the security staff back home to an angry and anxious mother. Second answer, part A. Number 2 was a scientist in the Central Committee of the Central Bureau. Part B, he suggested that the spacecraft that had landed on the surface ought to be observed passively and not interfered with at all. Part C, he stated that the intentions or power of the senders of the spacecraft were not known. According to him, it would be wise to observe the spacecraft passively and not reveal their existence. If they destroyed the spaceship, they might have revealed their existence, which could be a threat to their own survival. Part D, number 3 agreed with number 2 who supported his views. Answer 3. Tillu was not allowed to go through an underground passage through which his father went to work every day. It was a forbidden route and only a few selected were permitted to go that way. Part 4. The first press release from NASA said that Viking mission continued smoothly, but the mechanical hand developed a malfunction and could not collect soil samples as planned. Soon another press release by NASA clarified that the mechanical hand was functional again. It had collected soil samples as technicians were able to fix it, and the samples were being examined for any traces of life on Mars. Here you can see a picture. Okay, this is a picture of Viking mission. You can use this in your answer key, or you can paste this one on your copy to get a good impression by the teacher. Next answer, think and answer. Number 1, soil samples were being collected from Mars to know if there was little on Mars and if it was possible for humans to live there. Number 2, part A, Tillu found himself the center of attention because he had pressed the most prominent red button on the control panel, which was followed by a shrill whistle. Part B, as soon as Tillu pressed the red button, the mechanical hand which had emerged from the spacecraft to collect soil samples ceased to work. The damage was done and it would not be possible to get more information about the intentions of the people who had sent the spacecraft. Number 3, it was expected that there would be signs of life on Mars because of all the planets in our solar system. Mars is the nearest in location and physical conditions to our Earth. Its conditions seem favorable for life to thrive. There was disappointment as no signs of life were found on Mars by the Viking mission. You can see another picture of Viking mission on Mars. Okay, you can use this one also, uh, and you can paste this one on your copy. Next exercise, reference to context. Part A, Tillu said this to his father. Part B, it refers to the alien spacecraft. In part C, these words were said when Tildu saw an alien spacecraft on the TV screen because he had never seen anything like it before. Part D, next, a mechanical hand emerged from the aircraft. It bent and touched the soil. Next exercise, word quiz. Part B, trajectory. Next exercise, horse questions. Tilu's father spoke about many changes that came about in their world. Such changes are not good for the world and its living beings because life ceases to exist in any form when conditions are unfavorable. If the sun does not provide enough warmth and brightness, it will upset the balance of nature. Fish, birds, animals, or any other forms of life cannot survive. Only if a species is very evolved and has superior technology at its disposal, it can survive in artificial conditions but cannot lead a normal life in natural surroundings. The living beings will gradually die. If the environment is neglected, which includes the air, soil, water resources, then the ozone layer will be depleted. So, either there can be excessive warming or the temperature will dip extremely low. Due to excessive industrialization and urbanization, there is pollution, and trees are also cut down in large numbers. Poisonous gases fill up the air. All the rivers and water bodies get polluted. All these factors will bring about such disastrous consequences that ultimately living beings cannot survive. Human beings are the only ones responsible for these changes. Next exercise, talk. For example, Taj Mahal in Agra. Pupil A, have you seen the Taj Mahal? Pupil B, excuse me, where is the Taj Mahal? Pupil A, it's in Agra, it's on the banks of river Yamuna. Pupil B, oh yes, I have seen this monument while on our last educational tour to Agra. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Keep watching, share and subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Please like my channel, comment in the box if you want any of the chapters, a summary or question answers. Okay, goodbye.